How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell. KXI89 be like, hey baby.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 278, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The coastal waters forecast. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 4 p.m.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
At 3:20 p.m. Severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape St. and downward out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Little Egg Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 4:30 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along the line of 3 FB, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Buoy 2FB, Ship Bottom, Buoy 3FB, Garden State South Reef, Harley Cedars, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, La Valette, La Huff, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, 28 Mile Wreck, Seaside Park, Brigantine, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Great Egg Inlet, Barnegat Light Reef, and Fort River. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. You're listening to NOAA's All Hazards Radio, Station KWO35. March 9 and 25. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall occurring with this storm may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, and Ocean. Severe thunderstorm watch number 278 remains in effect until 7 p.m. and now includes the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex and Monmouth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Warning for the following New Jersey counties: Burlington and Ocean. Effective until 4:42 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for West Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, East Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chatsworth, or 22 miles southwest of Toms River, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Presidential Lakes Estates, Whiting, Chatsworth, Old Halfway, Cedar Glen Lakes, and Crestwood Village. Precautionary/preparedness actions: take cover. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial debris.
Number one,
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County, southern Morris County, southeastern Ontario County in northwestern New Jersey, central Mercer County, Somerset County, Monmouth County, Middlesex County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hopewell to Windsor to Castile, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Asbury Park, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Lakewood, Old Bridge, Jackson, Howell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, Kissen Falls, Holmdel, Middlesex, and Princeton. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 12. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 35 and 41. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 6 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 67 and 68. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 18. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 95 and 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The Coastal Water Forecast from National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, New York Harbor, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles west of South Amboy to 8 nautical miles northwest of Pine Beach, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Raritan Bay around 4:35 p.m. The Verrazano Narrows Bridge and Lower New York Harbor around 4:50 p.m. Upper New York Harbor around 4:55 p.m. Sandy Hook Bay around 5:05 p.m. Rockaway Inlet, entrance to New York Harbor and Jamaica Bay around 5:15 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morris County is canceled. The storm, which toppled the warning that moved out of the warning area. The thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for central, northern, southern, and northwestern New Jersey. Strong thunderstorms. The severe thunderstorm warning for. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monmouth County, east central Middlesex County until 5 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McClellan, or 8 miles south of Perth Inwood, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and heavy hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Sandy Hook, Middletown, Old Bridge, Holmdel, Kingsburg, McClellan, Brownville, Novesink, Lincroft, Capeward, Madison Park, Strathmore, North Middletown, and Lawrence Harbor. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 113 and 124. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the...
All right, SVR, New York City.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern Eastern Union.
Westerly.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Manhattan and southeastern New York, until 5:45 p.m. Be informed that the thunderstorm was located over Connery, north at 55 miles per hour. Radar indicated. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorm will be near Oakwood around 5:05 p.m. Elizabeth and Tonville around 5:10 p.m. Newark and Bayonne around 5:15 p.m. Jersey City and Flatbush around 5:20. Hoboken and Lyndhurst around 5:25 p.m. Rutherford and Secaucus around 5:30 p.m. Ridgefield and Jackson Heights around 5:35 p.m. p.m. One island town west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, until 6:15 p.m. 22 p.m. Located near Upper New York Harbor, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar Stanford Harbor, Oysterby, and Cold Spring Harbor. Around 5:55 p.m. Long Bay and Huntington Bay around 6 p.m. Norwalk Island around 6:05 p.m. Move to Safe Harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here's the forecast for Central Connecticut.
What the heck?
By excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of northern New Jersey and southern New Jersey, including the following areas in northern New Jersey: Middlesex and Somerset. In southern New Jersey: Camden, Gloucester, northwestern Burlington, and Salem. When? Until midnight tonight. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flood watch remains in effect until midnight tonight. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of northern Delaware, New Jersey, and southeast Pennsylvania.
Oh, this is new.
The following areas.
That's